Hello, Gordon School. Happy first week. I hope you all had great summers. I hope you swam, played soccer, relaxed, did some art, and saw some friends and family and enjoyed the past few months so much. I hope you're having an awesome start of school year in this first week, meeting all of your teachers, seeing all of your new classrooms, and greeting old friends and making new ones too. My name is Zoe. I'm starting 8th grade this year, and I'm one of the school's student co-presidents. I'm so excited to be one of your leaders this year. Like all of you, this is my first week of school. But unlike most of you, this is my 11th first week at Gordon. That means my very first week at this school was back in nursery. Since it was many years ago for me, I barely remember the first week, but I do remember playing in the sand but being nervous before school and being nervous about missing my parents. But I ended up having so much fun, and I was actually with some of the people here right now. All of my first weeks here have been very unique, none like another. I've done beading, drawing, multiplication check-ins, and setting up my lockers. I've had different teachers, different classrooms, and different school supplies. But one thing that has always been the same for me is catching up with my friends and also making new ones. This year is starting out a little bit different from most other years I've been here because of these masks we have to wear. They help keep others safe, but they're not so fun. There's so much, even though we have to wear masks, there's so much to be optimistic about this year. I'm looking forward to learning more about math, writing, getting better at Spanish, and of course, recess. Gotta love recess. All of those things we learn in school are important, but at school, we also have to take the time to learn some things that don't always get taught to you by teachers. You have to learn how to look at the good things coming. Or in other words, be optimistic. As Helen Keller wrote, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. We also have to learn how to be kind to ourselves and the world around us. We learn how to put ourselves in other people's shoes. Metaphorically, please don't put on each other's shoes. Maybe one of the most important things, especially in the first few days of school, is to care about the people around you who might be nervous for school, nervous about getting lost in the hallways, or just need a good friend. I remember a book we read sometime when I was in first grade. I don't remember the title, but I remember that it taught us that even the small things you do make a big difference, like throwing a pebble into a lake makes waves. Let's remember that something as small as smiling at someone, even from under a mask, goes a long, long way. This year, I'm going to stick to being kind, being enthusiastic, being inclusive, being optimistic, and smiling at everyone and every challenge I face. And I want to encourage everyone else here to do the same. Or, as Maya Angelou put it, try to be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. So with that, I hope you have an awesome school year, and I'm so excited to spend it with all of you.